Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to take a quick look into Aqua Metal, ticker symbol AQMS. Remember, all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. While you're here, guys, please hit them like and subscribe buttons, so we can continue to bring you fresh content and the latest hot stocks. If you want to join our Discord community, it's 100% free and links in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Aqua Metals Inc. is a United States-based company engaged in the business of recycling lead through a novel, proprietary and patent-pending process that it developed and named AquaRefining. Its mission is to eliminate the inefficiency, costs and toxic waste associated with conventional smelter-based recycling of lead-acid batteries. The company's breakthrough, AquaRefining, delivers a better product at a higher yield, eliminates toxic waste, reduces permitting and is less expensive to build than smelting. AquaRefining process will provide for the recycling of lead-acid batteries and the production of a pure-grade lead with a significantly lower cost of production, and with fewer environmental and regulatory issues than conventional methods of lead production. Shares of lead recycling specialist Aqua Metals rose a dramatic 30% in the first hour or so of trading on January 26. That follows on material gains the day before, when it was up around 20% or so. The big news behind both moves was a deal with global chemical giant BASF. There has been a lot of change in Aqua Metals' business of late. For example, it paid off all of its debt in 2020 and, more important, shifted to an asset-light model. A fire at a facility using the company's technology in late 2019 disrupted its business and helped push forward the change process, which started in 2018. The change in focus got a big boost yesterday when Aqua Metals agreed to partner with BASF on the production of chemicals used in Aqua Metals' patented lead recycling technology. Aqua Metals Inc. traded at a new 52-week high today of $7.64. So far today, approximately 5 million shares have been exchanged, as compared to an average 30-day volume of 6.7 million shares. In the past 52 weeks, Aqua Metals Inc. share prices are bracketed by a low of 33 cents and a high of $7.64 and is now at $7.18, 2,076% above that low price. Aqua Metals last announced its quarterly earnings results on October 22, 2020. The business services provider reported 3 cents earnings per share for the quarter, beating the consensus estimate of 7 cents by 4 cents. The firm had revenue of $0.09 million for the quarter. Aqua Metals has generated 86 cents earnings per share over the last year. Aqua Metals has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Wednesday, March 10, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership is 2.20%. Insider buying in the last 12 months was $49,157.43. Insider selling in the last 12 months was $270,901.50. Institutional ownership is 18.26%. There is potential upside of 58.1% for shares of Aqua Metals Inc. based on a current price of $7.18 and an average consensus analyst price target of $11.35. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Always do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, please like and subscribe for more content. It would really help the channel grow. Thank you and take care.